Hello, teacher.
Hello, Lynn. Good evening. Lynn, is my voice clear? Can you hear teacher?
Yes,
Good. How are you today?
I'm happy.
Okay, that's good that you are happy. All right, so Lynn, yesterday we had a makeup class, okay, because we weren't able to have class last Thursday. So yesterday, what we had was we did Unit 15. 1, 2, 3, animals, okay? But then we weren't able to finish Unit 15 yesterday. So today, Lynn, we will finish Unit 15, okay? All right, Lynn? We will finish Unit 15. So I will share to you the screen so we can now start with our lesson for this evening. Okay, so this one, Lynn, we finished this already last time. So here we will be doing here in the next activity. So here in the slide, Lynn, you can see there a picture. Lynn, can you tell me what animals and things can you see in the picture? What's in the picture, Lynn? What do you see? In the picture, I see
I see.
what are the animals that you see?
mm, I see a fish, mouse,
Fish,
snake,
mouse, snake,
uh, spider, frog,
spider.
egg.
Okay. All right. Very good. So aside from the animals, Lynn, how about the things? What are the things that you see in the picture? What can you see?
Mm, mm, Scream.
Mm.
mm, Scream, run.
What can you see? There's a water again.
I can see water, a kite, hat,
Kite. Mm.
bomb,
Mm.
and truck.
Okay, yes, it is. Very good, Lynn. So here in the picture, we see there the animals like the fish, mouse, snake, spider, lizard, and frog. Now here, where are Tom's pets? Draw a line so we can have here. Okay, Lynn, where is, wait, there's no audio for a while. Okay, Lynn, where is the lizard in the picture? The lizard is,
And this is
where's the lizard?
is in the box.
In the box. How about the ball? Where is the ball?
The spider is on the board.
I on the ball. How about what's in the shoe?
The mouse is in the soup.
The mouse is in the shoe. How about what is under the kite?
The snake is under the kite.
The snake is under the kite. How about what is on the cap?
The frog is on the cap.
Mm. And how about what is in the water, Lynn?
The fish is in the water.
Okay, the fish is in the water. Very good. So those are the animals where you see. Now here, Lynn, I have here this picture of a zoo. And what are the animals that you see in the zoo, Lynn? What are the animals that you see in the zoo? What do you see? I see
And then
Come on, what are the animals in there? I see
Pets,
what
uh,
else?
mouse, a tiger, uh, giraffe,
Mhm.
an elephant, a trash, and
And
a monkey.
a monkey. Yes, correct. Okay. Now here, Lynn, can you see this one? Can you see this? I have here this one. It's a zoo sign. Okay. What are the colors that you see in the zoo sign, Lynn? What are the colors? There's yellow. Come on, what are the colors? Yellow.
Yellow,
What else?
shark,
Yellow, orange.
yellow, and
What? This one, color. Yellow,
yellow,
orange. What else? What's this? Color. Green.
coloring,
This one, what's this? What color?
and purple.
Purple and color. Last
Mm,
one,
blue.
color blue. Very good. So here, Lynn, is I also have here this one. So here in the yellow part, you can see here in the part of the yellow sign, you can see there the animals that starts with letter B and letter C. Can you see it? It starts with B and C. What are the animals that starts with letter B? Please read.
Yes, birds,
Bees, birds, and how about letter C's?
crocodiles,
What else?
horse,
Cats. What
chickens,
else? Chickens and
cows.
cows. Very good. Okay, so you can see there the signs that we see here in the picture. Now, Lynn, look at here. Oh, sorry. Okay, here, Lynn, you can see here. How about in the orange, Lynn? Can you tell me what are the animals that starts with letter S and T? Okay, Lynn, listen. Give me one animal that starts with S and one animal that starts with T. Yeah, write your answer here. Okay, write it here. Now for the green, give me one animal that starts with D, with E and F. You write it here too. Understand? Animals that starts with letter G and H, Lynn, write it here in the purple. And animals that starts with L and M, write it here. Do you understand what to do, Lynn? Only one name, okay? Give me one name for each letter. Okay, go, Lynn. I'll give you time to write your answer to think. Go. Okay. All right, Lynn. Finish.
No.
Okay. Wait me. Lynn, you tell me first your answer before we ended our class in the first Zoom. So Lynn, what are the animals that starts with letter S and T? For the orange, what are the animals? We have
Sheep and tiger.
okay, sheep, tiger. Then how about the animals in the green sign? What are these?
Donkeys, elephant, and fish.
Okay, very good. And how about give me the name of an animal in purple?
Fish,
What
giraffe, and
letter H? Can you give me an animal that starts with H?
hippo.
Oh, it could be a horse, a hippo. Okay. How about animals that starts with letter L and M?
Mm, mm, Monkey,
Monkey. What else?
mouse,
Again, L is
mouse.
Oh, mouse. How about L? L could be lizard. Okay, lion. So many. Okay, wait me. Lynn, you enter again to the Zoom class. Lynn, the Zoom will close. Okay, enter again.